Hey guys, Fantastic Yellow here, and welcome back to another Ninjago video here on the channel today. And this is Season 3, Part 1, Episode 6 review. So let's get into it. This episode was actually awesome. It starts off seeing Aragoth expand the Ninjago land by granting wishes, and we obviously get to see Dareth. This is where we see Dareth. It was very quick, but I'm glad we did get to see him. And obviously I don't know how he's there, but we do know why he's there. He's obviously there wishing for elemental powers, and by the looks of it, Aragoth might be able to grant that. He just doesn't have enough strength. I mean, he says he can't, but I'm sure there's something he could do. But he just flat out refuses in general to Dareth that he will not be giving him elemental powers, which is straight funny that he's still asking for elemental powers. I'm glad to see Dareth hasn't changed. But anyways, we move on to this episode where Mia and Kai are learning about in this book about Thunderfang and what the prismatic blades do. And then we move back to Aragoth. He's getting attacked by Rox, who has this thing that can capture him and forcefully make any wish. Aragoth does trick Rox into wishing the ninja there, and I originally thought all the ninja were getting teleported, but then I realized obviously not. It was only Ryu, Sora, and Mia that got teleported, due to those are the only ninja that he met, and that's completely fine. The battle scenes were still very well, and the whole thing turned out pretty amazing. One thing though, back when we originally saw the Djinns and stuff, each person was only ever able to make 3 wishes. So I don't know if this got retconned. Obviously, it looks like it did. I don't know what the in-universe reason is for it, but they can make more than 3 wishes per person. Rox had like 5 or so wishes. Sora had like maybe 5 or so as well. It makes sense why Mia was able to wish, because that whole timeline did get like erased, so Mia obviously hasn't made her 3 wishes like she did. So that would not make sense, but she goes over 3 wishes. Ryu makes a wish too. He turns one of the Dragonians into a bouncy ball, which is pretty funny. But anyways, we end off the episode with the prismatic blade getting repaired. That's why they went to him in the first place, because Rox needed to repair a broken prismatic blade. They do end up getting it fixed, but this episode in itself still was pretty fun to watch, just seeing Dareth and the Ninjago stuff, because that hasn't really been touched on since Season 6. But anyways, pretty solid episode in my opinion. So that's where this episode review is going to end, and I'll see you guys very shortly for the next episode review.